students, now we have question number 3 of revise 14, and the statement of question is in triangle LMN. Here is a triangle LMN. In the figure, MN is parallel to PQ. This side MN is parallel to PQ. Here you can see this PQ intersecting the sides LM and LN. Clear? Here are certain measurements. Measurement of LM is 5. Here LM is 5 centimeter. LP is 2.5 centimeter. LQ is 2.3, and we have to find LN. Here you have to remember the key point number 1, that if a line which is parallel to the third side intersects the other two sides proportionally, it means the ratio of these sections will be equal to the ratio of these sections. So here is the solution. Let's see the solution. I have written the question. These are the measurements already given. Clear? So MN is parallel to PQ, and we have to remember the key point number 1. This line segment is parallel to MN, the third side of the triangle, and it is dividing these two sides. So the ratio of this side will be equal to the ratio of this side. Here I have written measurement of LP over LM is equals to LQ over LN. You have to remember, you have to take the ratio of the segments whose values are given. Here for this side you have given the value of LP and LM. So you will take the ratio of these sections LP over LM. And if you have taken the ratio of LP over LM, so on the other side you will take the ratio of LQ over LN. Clear? Two things you have to remember. The first thing is whose values are given, and the second thing is you have to take the equivalent ratio. Means if you are taking LP, then you have to take LQ, and if you are taking LM, you have to take LN. Is it clear? And if you are taking PM, then you have to take QN. Is it clear? So here we have given the values of LM and LP. So I have taken the ratio LP over LM. And if I am taking LP, then LQ is compulsory, and similarly LN is also compulsory. Clear? Now put the values. The value of LP is 2.5, LM is 5, LQ is 2.3, and LN is to find out. So LN will remain as it is. Now we will cross multiply. I have taken LN to here, and 5 will go there and 2.5 will come here. Cross multiplication. Now by using the calculator, the answer will be calculated as 4.6 centimeter. It means the measurement of LN is 4.6 centimeter. Now the second part of the same question, if LM is 6, now the value of LM is given as 6, LQ is 2.5, LQ, QN is 5, and find LP. Clear? Now let's see the solution. Here LM is given, LQ is given, and QN is given, and we have to find LP. It means, first of all, let's see the diagram. What we have given LM, the whole value, LQ, this one, QN, this one, and we have to find LP. Means we have to find LP. Clear? So we will take the ratio LP over LM. We have to find the value of LP. So LP is compulsory to take LP over LM. And again we will take from here LQ over LN. Clear? Here is the LP over LM is equals to LQ over LN. LP is to find out, so LP will remain as it is. The value of LM is given 6 centimeters, so I put the value of LM. The value of LQ is already given 2.5, so I put the value. But here you can see the value of ln is not given. But from the question you can see the value of LQ is given and the value of QN is given. So if I add these two values, then the measurement of ln will be calculated. Clear? So I have put, here I have written ln, this one, ln is equals to LQ plus QN. LQ plus QN. So LQ is 2.5, QN is 5. After adding these two, we get 7.5. So the value of ln is 7.5. Now we have all the values, again cross multiply, and with the help of calculator the answer will be calculated as 2 centimeter. I hope these questions are clear to you. Okay students, now after question number 3 we have question number 5. So in question number 5 the statement is, in triangle LMN, LA, this is the ray, LA bisects angle L. If measurement of LN is 4, LM is 6 and MN, this whole MN is 8, then find MA. MA is the first portion and AN is the second portion. We have to find the values of MA and AN. Now for this you have to remember the third key point we have studied. According to the third key point, if a ray bisects any angle, then it intersects the side opposite to it in the ratio which is equal to the ratio of the sides containing that angle. It means the ratio of these two portions is equal to the ratio of these two sides which are making angle L. Angle L is between the side LN and LM. So the ratio of these two sides is equal to the ratio of these two portions, mean AN and MA. The ratio of these two portions is equal to the ratio of these two sides. Clear? According to the third key point. Now let's see the solution. Here we have the question. You see I have drawn the diagram. So according to the third point, the ratio of these two portions, mean the MA over AN or AN over AM, is equals to the ratio of LN over LM. Is it clear? The ratio of these two sides is equal to the ratio of these two portions. One thing to remember, that if you are taking this portion first, as I have taken AN, so I have to take this side first, mean here LN will come first. And if I take MA first, if I take AM on the numerator, then this side will come in the numerator. Is it clear? So the ratio between AN and AM is equals to the ratio between LN and LM. Here is the formula. Now put the values. The value of LN is already given 4. LM is 6. But the value of AN and AM both are not given. We have to find these values. But one thing we have given is the total measurement of this side, MN. So here we can see MN, the value of MN is 8. And MN is the combination of MA and AN. Here I have written MN is equals to AM plus AN. Here is the equation. Clear? This MN is the addition of these two portions, MA and AN here. So we have to find the value of MA. So keep MA here and move this AN to the other side. So the equation will become MA or AM is equals to MN minus AN. It means if I want to find the value of this portion, only this AM, what I have to do? I have to subtract this portion from the total value. Is it clear? So here is the value of AM or MA. Both are same because it is line segment. So AM is equals to MA. There is no problem. So MA is equals to MN means total length and minus AN means this portion. Now I will put this value to the here in place of AM. In place of AM, I have put this value, this equation. Now we have the value of MN, so I put value 8. AN will remain as it is because we don't have the value, and the value of LN and LM we have already put. Now we will cross multiply. This will multiply here with the 4. Now open the bracket. 4 8s are 32 minus 4AN. Here we have 6AN. We have cross multiply. Now we will move this 4AN to the other side. It will become 10AN. Here we have 32. Now we will move this 10 to the other side. So the value of AN is 3.2. Clear? The value of this portion AN is 3.2. Total is 8 and this is 3.2. So in order to find this portion, we will subtract this 3.2 from the 8 here. AM is equals to MN mean total length minus AN means small portion. 8 minus 3.2 it means 4.8. It means the value of this MA is 4.2 and this is 3.8. 3.2. Is it clear? I hope these questions are clear to you. Now we will do question number 6. Now we have the last question of review exercise 14. The question is in isosceles triangle PQR. Here is an isosceles triangle. First of all, what is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal in measurement. Shown in the figure, find the value of x and y. This is an isosceles triangle and you have to find the value of this x and this y. Is it clear? Let's see the solution. Here we have the diagram here. So as triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, so measurement of PQ will be congruent to measurement of PR. Again, I have repeated the definition of an isosceles triangle, that it is a triangle in which two sides are congruent. So PQ will be congruent to PR. Clear? The value of PQ is 10 centimeter and value of PR is x. So the value of x is calculated as 10 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to find the value of y. Here you can see this bisector. I have named it as S. It is not in the question. I have given it a name S. This bisector PS has divided the side QR in two portions. So again remember the third key point, when an angle bisector divides the side opposite to it, then the ratio of these two portions is equal to the ratio of the sides. So the ratio of SR over SQ is equals to the ratio of PR over PQ. Clear? This is SR over SQ. It will be equal to the ratio of PR over PQ. Here is the formula. Now put the values. SR is Y. QS is 6 centimeter. PR is 10 centimeter. We have calculated the value, and PQ is 10 centimeter. Clear? Now we will move this 6 to the other side. It will multiply with 10. 10 is cancelled with 10. So the value of y is 6 centimeter. And we have to calculate the values of x and y in this question. I hope this chapter is clear to you. This is all what we have to do in chapter number 14. I hope there is no problem.